If you're a busy professional trying to lose weight, your biggest problem isn't just willpower or motivation, it's time. Between endless meetings, tight deadlines, and the constant pressure to perform, finding even a spare moment for yourself can feel impossible. You're juggling work, family, and maybe even a social life, and somewhere in the chaos, your health goals get pushed to the bottom of the list. By the time you finally get home, you're running on empty. You have no energy left to cook, prep, or even think about what you're going to eat. The fridge is either empty or full of ingredients that require way too much effort to turn into a meal. You're tired, hungry, and just want something easy. You walk through the door, drop your bag, and collapse onto the couch. The idea of spending an hour in the kitchen chopping, cooking, and cleaning up feels overwhelming. You tell yourself you'll cook tomorrow, but tonight, you just need something fast. So, you reach for takeout, or maybe you order delivery. Again, it's quick, it's easy, and it fills you up. But deep down, you know it's not helping you reach your goals. Each time, your healthy intentions slip a little further away, and the cycle repeats. It's a vicious cycle, and it's easy to blame yourself. But the truth is, it's not your fault. The world we live in makes healthy eating feel like a full-time job. Between confusing nutrition advice, endless meal prep, and unrealistic expectations, it's no wonder so many people feel stuck. Healthy eating has become way too complicated and time-consuming. You're told to spend hours meal prepping on Sundays, follow strict meal plans, and avoid anything that isn't perfectly clean. But who has time for that? Most of us just want something simple, tasty, and quick. That's why today, I'm going to show you 5 ultra-fast, real weight loss meals. No endless meal prep, no bland or boring diet food, and absolutely no complicated recipes. These are meals you can make in minutes, even on your busiest days. These meals are simple, flavorful, and designed to actually work for real life. You won't need fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen, just real food, real taste, and real results. Every meal is crafted specifically for busy professionals like you. Fast to make, filling enough to keep you satisfied, and calorie-controlled so you can finally see progress without sacrificing your time or your sanity. So, let's get into the kitchen together and cook something brilliant. You're about to discover how easy, delicious, and doable healthy eating can be, even with your schedule. Let's get started. First up, let's dive into the lemon garlic chicken power bowl, a vibrant, protein-packed meal that's as beautiful as it is nourishing. This bowl is designed to fuel your body and mind, making it the perfect choice for anyone who wants to eat well, feel energized, and stay on track with their health goals. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a satisfying dinner, or even a meal prep option for busy days, this bowl has you covered. It's a meal that keeps you full and focused, thanks to its balance of lean protein, fresh veggies, and zesty flavors. No more mid-afternoon crashes or cravings for junk food. This bowl is all about sustained energy and satisfaction. Start by dicing up some lean chicken breast. This not only helps the chicken cook quickly, but also ensures every bite is tender and juicy. If you're prepping ahead, you can even marinate the chicken in a little lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil for extra flavor. Next, heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat and add a touch of olive oil. Sear the chicken pieces until they're golden brown on the outside and cooked through. This should only take a few minutes, so keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. Once the chicken is nearly done, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and toss in minced garlic. The lemon brightens up the dish, while the garlic adds a savory depth that makes the chicken irresistible. Let everything sizzle together for a minute, so the flavors really meld. Now, it's time to build your bowl. Start with a generous base of crisp lettuce, romaine, butter, or even mixed greens work great. Add in sliced cucumbers for a refreshing crunch and a boost of hydration. Toss in some juicy cherry tomatoes, which not only add color and sweetness but are also packed with antioxidants. The combination of these fresh veggies creates a bowl that's high in volume, so you can enjoy a big, satisfying meal without a ton of calories. Pile the golden lemon garlic chicken right on top of your veggies. The contrast of warm, savory chicken with cool, crisp greens is what makes this bowl so crave-worthy. For the finishing touch, whip up a quick yogurt sauce. Just mix Greek yogurt with a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a handful of chopped fresh herbs like parsley or dill. Drizzle this creamy, tangy sauce over your bowl for a burst of flavor and an extra hit of protein. This meal is all about high protein and high volume, meaning you get to eat a lot, feel completely satisfied, and still stay on track with your weight loss or healthy eating goals. It's the kind of meal that leaves you feeling nourished, not deprived. The best part? This bowl is endlessly adaptable. Swap the chicken for lean turkey, tofu, or even grilled shrimp if you want to change things up. You can also add beans or chickpeas for a plant-based protein boost. Don't be afraid to get creative with your veggies. Throw in whatever you have on hand, from bell peppers and shredded carrots to radishes or even roasted sweet potatoes. The more color, the better. The best part? This power bowl comes together in under 10 minutes. It's perfect for those days when you need something fast but don't want to sacrifice nutrition or flavor. There are no complicated steps, no fancy equipment, and no hard-to-find ingredients, just honest, good food that you can feel proud to eat. When you're tempted to order takeout, remember this bowl. It's your secret weapon for staying on track, saving money, and enjoying a meal that's just as satisfying as anything you'd get from a restaurant. Fast, fresh, and filling. This is how you eat for weight loss, better energy, and a happier you, all without missing out on flavor or satisfaction. The Lemon Garlic Chicken Power Bowl, healthy, delicious, and done in minutes. Give it a try and see how easy and enjoyable healthy eating can be. Craving comfort food but want to keep things light and healthy? We've all had those moments when hunger strikes and you're tempted to reach for something heavy or carb-loaded. But what if you could have a meal that's just as satisfying but leaves you feeling energized and guilt-free? Enter Smoky Turkey Lettuce Wraps, a dish that's hearty, deeply flavorful, and surprisingly low in carbs. These wraps are perfect for anyone looking to enjoy comfort food without the heaviness, and they're packed with protein to keep you full for hours. Start by browning lean ground turkey in a skillet. As it cooks, sprinkle in smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder. These spices infuse the turkey with a rich smoky aroma and a deep, savory taste that's reminiscent of your favorite comfort foods, but with a healthy twist. The combination of spices not only adds flavor, but also brings warmth and complexity to every bite. Instead of bread or tortillas, use crisp lettuce leaves as your wrap. Iceberg lettuce gives you a satisfying crunch, while butter lettuce offers a softer, more delicate bite. Both options are refreshing and make the perfect vessel for the smoky turkey filling. Spoon the savory turkey mixture into each lettuce cup. Top with diced red onion for a bit of sharpness. Sprinkle on fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley for brightness, and finish with a squeeze of lime to add a zesty kick that ties all the flavors together. Each wrap becomes a burst of color and taste. For a creamy, tangy finish, add a dollop of Greek yogurt sauce. You can mix the yogurt with a little lemon juice, garlic, and chopped herbs for extra flavor. This not only adds richness, but also balances the smokiness of the turkey and the freshness of the lettuce. The best part? You can make the turkey filling ahead of time and store it in the fridge. When you're ready to eat, just assemble your wraps in minutes. It's perfect for busy weeknights, meal prep, or even a quick lunch. Dinner can be on the table in just 5 minutes. These wraps are a fantastic way to satisfy your cravings without the carb crash or the guilt that often comes with comfort food. You'll feel good about what you're eating, and your taste buds will thank you. With high-quality protein from the turkey, you'll stay full and energized, while the lettuce adds a refreshing crunch and a boost of fiber. Every bite is a perfect balance of texture and flavor. Swapping out bread for lettuce not only saves you calories, but also lets the bold flavors of the filling shine through. It's a smart, simple change that makes a big difference in both taste and nutrition. So next time you're craving something comforting, reach for smoky turkey lettuce wraps. They're simple to make, quick to assemble, and seriously delicious. Proof that healthy eating can be both satisfying and full of flavor. For those nights when you're exhausted, the 8-minute garlic shrimp and veg plate is your answer. Sear raw shrimp in a hot pan with a little oil, just 2 to 3 minutes per side. Add minced garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a flavor punch. Finish with a squeeze of lemon. Toss pre-washed spinach or mixed greens in the same pan to wilt in the garlicky oil. Plate the greens, top with shrimp. Done. High protein, low calorie, and packed with nutrients. Swap in any quick cooking veg, or even frozen veggies if needed. This meal proves you always have time to eat well. 8 minutes, 1 pan, 0 excuses. Fast, nourishing, and restaurant-worthy. Craving something rich? Try creamy chicken. No cream, just high-protein Greek yogurt for a luscious sauce. Sear thin chicken breasts, set aside. In the same pan, sauté shallots and garlic, then deglaze with broth or water. Reduce, then whisk in Greek yogurt off the heat for a smooth, creamy sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and a touch of Dijon or fresh herbs. Return chicken to the pan, coat in sauce, and warm through. Serve with steamed greens or over-wilted spinach. All the comfort, none of the guilt. Protein-packed and satisfying. Use this yogurt sauce trick for pasta, soups, or dressings. Creamy chicken without cream. Indulgence, reimagined for your goals. Healthy, quick, and absolutely delicious. Hate dishes. The one-pan beef and green beans is your new go-to. Sear thin strips of lean beef in a hot pan, then set aside. Add fresh green beans, let them blister and char for flavor. Mix up a quick sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, and garlic. Return beef to the pan, pour over the sauce, and toss everything together. The sauce thickens, coating every bite. High-protein beef, fiber-rich beans, and bold flavor. All in one pan. Minimal cleanup, maximum satisfaction. Swap in chicken, shrimp, or any veg you like. This is weeknight cooking made effortless. One pan, one meal, zero hassle. These 5 meals prove weight loss doesn't require complicated cooking or endless prep. Consistency beats perfection. Simple meals make it possible. Each dish is fast, delicious, and fits your busy life. You don't need more time, just better choices. Find the 10-minute recipe that keeps you on track. Progress is built on small daily decisions. These meals are your allies. Like, subscribe, and comment which meal you'll try first. Eat smart, stay consistent, and get cooking.